Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mounting the phone and connecting audio. This reduces distractions and routes voice prompts through your car. Enter the destination in Google Maps, pick the preferred route, and tap directions. Once done, press Start to launch turn-by-turn navigation. Make sure the screen stays on if you rely on live ETA. If you need alternate stops, add them now so the route recalculates before driving. This front-loading keeps you hands-free and focused once the vehicle is moving. Once navigation is active, you adjust route preferences and audio to match driving conditions. Tap the three-dot menu to avoid tolls or highways when necessary, and confirm alternate routes before you turn. Make sure voice prompts play through the car speaker via Bluetooth or USB so you hear directions over road noise. Use lane guidance and satellite view for complex interchanges. They help you choose the correct lane and reduce last-minute lane changes. This minimizes stress and keeps the trip safer. You follow prompts and accept small course changes. Use voice commands to reroute or add stops so you never type while driving. If the GPS lags or the map freezes, safely pull over, toggle airplane mode for 5 seconds, then resume. This forces a fresh GPS fix. For traffic, incidents, or missing roads, report them with the in-app buttons, then continue. If something still fails, restart the phone. That resolves most persistent sensor or connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.